Want to improve your Instagram camera quality or tweak those settings? Here's how to take full control, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone Plus Instagram tips. First, open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap Instagram. Here, make sure camera, microphone and photos are set to allow. You can even choose if Instagram can access all your photos or just selected ones. Now open Instagram, swipe right to access the camera, then tap the gear icon in the top corner. You'll see controls like saving your photos automatically, using front or back camera by default, and toggling creative tools. For better quality, always shoot in good lighting and clean your camera lens. And if you want even more control, consider recording with your iPhone's default camera app and uploading it to stories or reels. It's a pro trick. Now you're ready to shoot like a pro. Hit subscribe button for more smart iPhone tricks.